Today, we are looking at a highly anticipated mod that has been in development for quite some time, and it just now released on both Xbox and PC today in its first iteration. This mod is one of the first large-scale immersive and gameplay addition mods to Starfield since the creation kit released. Before we get into the showcase, if you love Starfield and you love Starfield modding, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what Starfield mod you want to see showcased next. Now, let's get right into it. For all of you finance bros out there, the perfect Starfield mod to meet your wildest dreams has finally come to Xbox and PC via Nexus Mods or the Creations menu. With StarFinance by OXDZ. Or DZ. StarFinance revolutionizes Starfield's economy with an advanced financial system. You can manage your credits with a banking system, invest in a dynamic stock market, take out loans with consequences for defaults, handle property rentals and mortgages, and so much more. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, this mod has released in its first implementation, which means it's currently still in active development with plenty of updates on the way soon to fully flesh out this pretty ambitious finance and economy mod. On all the mod pages where you can find this mod on Xbox and PC, it is laid out what features are currently available and what features are currently still in progress based off the time that you're looking at the mod page. To get started with StarFinance, once you have the mod installed, go to the GalBank Tower in New Atlantis and interact with the GalBank data terminal on the wall once you get inside. This is how you open an account with the GalBank, and you will need at least 1,000 credits to open an account. Once you have an account open, you won't need to come back here every single time you want to use any of the banking systems. You will also be given an item to interact with the terminal remotely. Think of it as an online banking system on your phone in real life. At the time of this recording, the first wave implementation of this mod has 3 features currently active. The first is personal accounts, where you can open and manage personal bank accounts to store your credits in the game securely. The second is loans, where you can apply for personal or business loans with varying interest rates and repayment terms. And the third and final currently active feature at time of recording is credit score, where you can maintain a good credit score to access better loan terms and interest rates. And as I showed you how to do earlier, all of this stems from having a GalBank account. The GalBank account is the pivotal part of this financial mod, and the bank account, while simple, is the core feature that this mod uses. You can create a personal bank account which will be used for all the financial services GalBank has to offer. To interact with the loan system and stock market, you need a bank account as they draw and pay credits to it, just like a regular bank would in real life. The mod author has put a disclaimer out there that this bank account unfortunately has a limit of around 2 billion credits, so you can't really go much more than that. Additionally, from your bank account, you can also deposit various amounts of credits as well as withdraw them from your account at any time using the GalBank data terminal in any of the GalBank branches by using ATMs or the item you were given when you created your account for the first time. And just like having a real-life bank account, you can accumulate interest on that account. Interest is applied to the credits in your bank account every 7 days in-game. This is tied to the universal time, not necessarily Jemison's time or something like that, about every 168 hours. Interest will be applied to the credits you have in your bank account at that time. And as of the time of this mod, as opposed to the advertising you might see, the interest is set to a flat 5% interest rate. The mod author also makes it seem like there might be some sort of dynamic economical system being implemented into this mod to change the interest rate over time based off of a various amount of different features in the game, which sounds awesome. And regarding the final feature that's available in this first implementation of the mod, it has to do with loans and a credit score. The player is assigned a default credit score of 350 for now. The credit score system currently has an upper limit of 850 and a lower limit of 350. You can increase your credit by doing the following things: being approved for a loan and paying off your loans timely. And you will take a hit to your credit for the following things: missing a payment on your loan or being denied for a loan, just like real life. And this is when some really cool gameplay comes in. If you do not pay off the interest on your loans or the loans in general, there will be debt collectors sent after you from GalBank. A little known fact about GalBank that is if you attack or kill these debt collectors on their first attempt to collect your loan, GalBank will instead send mercenaries after you to collect the debt instead. So it's in your best interest to pay off your loans. As this is the first implementation of this mod, the mod author is aware that this mod is still currently under development and issues will naturally occur. There is currently a bug out there that is an exploit for the loan system. As you can see, I kind of ran into this while getting the footage for this mod. In the top right corner, you can see how the loans just keep going up and the credit score keeps going up when I only had to pay 0 credits for paying back this loan. It's a little bit exploited right now, but this mod author and this modding team that makes this mod is hard at work, and this mod still has a big journey ahead of it, which is really cool because there's a lot of really awesome and ambitious features within this mod that are just going to add so much immersion and such a really cool gameplay system for the financial and the economic portion of Starfield. And some of those future features include interest rates, earning interest on your savings or to pay interest loans influenced by dynamic economic conditions. Another one is dynamic stock exchange. The stock exchange isn't even in here, and that's a main feature of this mod, being investing in various companies and watch your investments grow or shrink based on in-game events and company performance. That sounds incredible, and that goes right into the market fluctuations, which experience realistic stock prices, stock price changes driven by market news and player actions, and portfolio management, meaning keep track of your investments and make informed decisions to maximize your profits, kind of like a Wall Street Journal system. And from there, there's even more coming in the future right away. From the GalBank, you'll be able to make property rentals where you can rent out properties you own or rent business locations or homes yourself to earn passive income. And lease agreements, create and manage lease agreements with customizable terms and conditions, which leads right into property ownership. Purchase properties with the help of mortgages and build your real estate empire. And mortgage payments, making regular payments to pay off your mortgage and eventually own the property outright, similar to the home trait you can have in the character creator in Starfield. This mod is so ambitious. It seems like it has such a bright future ahead. The mod author and this team that's made this mod seems like they are the mod seems like it's in really good hands. I can't wait to see how this mod develops. If you want to see more showcases of this mod as these features release, make sure to subscribe. Please like this video if you enjoyed this. It'll help the mod author as well get this mod out there. So please go download it. Please share it. Please share this video. And please subscribe if you love Starfield, Starfield modding, and all things sci-fi gaming. Thank you guys.